Whenever Mum sees me snacking on a bag of crackers or chips, she'll always say the same thing. Now, if the phrases "yit hey" or "hot body" mean something to you, then you'll know that there's a cooling drink waiting for you at the end of this video. Today I'll show you Mum's Leung Cha, the only yit hey remedy you'll need.
Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe follows the story of how 5-year-old me used to wonder how a bitter brown drink could help cure my throat. To start, you'll need a dried herb called Prunella vulgaris. In Cantonese, it's Hafu Chol. You can get them in large plastic bags from Chinese medicinal shops, and if you don't finish it in one go, just seal it securely and store it in a dry place. To sweeten the tea, Mum adds 100 grams of carrots, but you can use any other hard and sweet fruit or vegetable, including apple, pear, corn, chocos, or watermelon. Another way Mum would sweeten her Chinese herbal tea so that my brother and I could drink it as children was she would add candied wintermelon. The best place to get a hold of these would be at a Chinese medicinal shop as well. Of course, you can also use any other type of sweetener you have on hand, like brown sugar slabs, palm sugar, rock sugar, or regular granulated sugar. You can find the list of all of these ingredients at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. To make the Leung Cha, rinse the Prunella vulgaris in a bowl of cool water. Then grab 2 handfuls of the dried herb and squeeze the water out and put it in a colander. Pour the water out of the empty bowl and rinse until it's clean, then pour the dried herbs back into the bowl to be refilled with fresh water. Repeat the rinsing another 2 times. When you're done, don't forget to wipe the bowl clean. Fill a pot up with 2.5 litres of water and turn the heat to high, then add the washed herbs in. While that's cooking, slice the ends off the carrots and peel all the skin. Cut them roughly into 2 cm chunks and add them into the pot. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer on medium heat for 30 minutes with the lid partially on. After the 30 minutes, add in the candied wintermelon and let it boil for 5 minutes. When I was little, I didn't believe in Mum's Leung Cha remedy. It tasted bitter, it left a dry and pasty feeling in my mouth, and, as any child who was ruled by their taste buds would passionately argue, I would rather have my body stay yit hey than drink more Leung Cha. But now, as an adult, whenever my body feels dehydrated or I need a soothing drink for my throat, it's Mum's Leung Cha that my body craves. And when I do drink it, I feel its cooling effects on my body almost immediately. If you want to make this for your family soon, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Wash the herbs thoroughly. This will leave you with a cleaner, fresher Chinese herbal tea. Number 2. Sweeten a bit at a time. Doing so will give you the perfect balance for your taste. Number 3. Don't overboil. The longer it boils, the more bitter it becomes. If you want to preserve a remedy that you grew up with, start with Mum's Chinese herbal tea. And if this video made your body feel less yit hey, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Now, if you love to nourish your body with homemade remedies, try Mama's soothing Chinese cabbage soup, and I'll see you in the next video.